This is the service elevator at the Doubletree Hotel, Wesleyland International Airport. As you can see, this elevator is on up peak. But look at this. This elevator serves twice as many floors than all of the passenger elevators here. Basement's locked. Let's go to the roof. I'm surprised the roof is accessible. 'Cause that's a staff-only floor. Here on the roof. Gonna go down to 1. So this is 6-story Schindler elevator, and all the other elevators serve just 3 floors at a time. This was also an Otis Lexan at one point, but not anymore. And that's it.